This video today is about cuts and transitions. And the reason that I wanted to make this video was that in the first video that I made, I said I wanted to get better at photography or filming. My name's Chris Dunlop. I know nothing about photography or filming. And while I've done heaps of stuff on photography, filming I've sort of left and haven't really delved into nor done much research on. And so I've Googled Premium Beat, which has an article, 8 cuts every editor should know. And I'm going to try those out now in this one room just to show, one, that you can do it no matter where you are, and two, that it adds interest to a story because I'm just in the lounge. Cut number 1, the standard cut or the hard cut. The standard cut is the cut that I'm the most familiar with. It's the cut where you want to go from clip to clip without any transition. The only downside of the hard cut is that it gives you the least amount of visual meaning. See that? That cut right there? Meaningless visually. And see that? Just took my glasses off in the cut. Did it without a transition though, so meaningless too. Feels a bit harsh to the hard cut. I quite like them, and I've used them a lot. Cut number 2, the jump cut. Now the second cut is the jump cut. It's used to jump around seamlessly. It's generally used most commonly in interviews where you've got multiple cameras shooting the same thing from different angles. I thought I've done quite well here though, considering I only have one camera. So I've just had to act out the scene multiple times. Cut number 3, the L cut. Next up we have an L cut, used most commonly by documentary people or narrators. What an L cut means is that we're hearing audio from the previous shot even though we've already moved on to the next shot. This technique will allow your film to keep moving on naturally while still keeping your viewer entertained by giving something to look at visually. Wait, what are you doing? Why are you on your phone? Come on, we're doing a really cool video here. Wait, are you talking to me? Yeah, I'm talking to you. On the phone. Come on. I'm just on my phone because you keep talking and I've already moved on, but you need to get over it. We get it. You're the narrator from my previous shot. So I got nothing to do. Just text me when it's done. Can't believe you. Cut number 4, the J cut.
Hello, Christopher.
Wait, did you hear that noise?
I am from the future.
Where was that from?
This is the next transition, the J cut, where you hear the audio from the cut before you see it.
Seriously?
Yeah, you got owned.
Do I get to say anything in this video? Or are those other dipsticks gonna keep talking? A J cut?
Keep lying there on the couch. Text away, it's fine. No one cares what you do. They only care about me.
So annoying, I just want to speak. Yeah, so in this clip, the J cut, you hear the audio
Of me talking?
before you see where the audio is coming from in here in the laundry. Cut number 5, cutting on action. And this is quite a popular one in YouTubers. This is the one where people go like this. And then they're in a completely different scene. It's actually not the best example. You basically just cut on movement. So we'll give it another go. Apparently if I stand up, I'm cutting on the action, so it's not as distracting. That was not a good example. I'm gonna give it another go. We'll give this pillow a go. Cutting on the action. There's a quote here that says, "Don't be tempted to wait for a pause before cutting. Just cut on the action." Cut number 6, cutaways. Cutaways are where you cut away from the main action or subject. It's when you have shots of things in the environment that help the audience understand where the character is located. Helps to build a wider picture than just staring at the main character and build the mise en scene, or however you say that French word. Cut number 7, cross cuts. And then we have the cross cuts. I'm actually stuck in here, I need to get out. Help! Wait, is he still in the laundry? We need to go find him. Help! Can anyone hear me? So a cross cut is used most famously by people like Christopher Nolan in Inception, where you have multiple storylines. It's just really stressful in here. I don't know how I get in here. I don't know if I'm ever going to be out. And then when they converge together, it allows your audience to get a wider picture. Wait, I think I hear someone. This isn't the best example, but... Is that him? Is that finally a way out of here? What are you doing in the laundry? Come on, come out. Oh, thank you so much. I didn't ever think I was going to get out of here. So that's cross cuts. Cut number 8, montage. Everyone knows what a montage is. It's where you just show progress over a period of time condensed. And by doing so, you show that the character is progressing and getting better at life and more muscle. Generally, it involves the gym. Whew. So yeah, that was an introduction into some transitions and some cuts. I quite enjoyed that and quite learned a lot. Hopefully you took something out of that and you'll probably start to see some of these cool things in my vlog. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Just before I go, I'd like to give a shout out to Ernest Herrera. And Ernest is one of the most positive people on the YouTube comments section. Every single video is just so uplifting. So thanks for just being there and commenting on all the videos. For example, he just says things like, "How do you not have more views? Your videos are amazing, bro." Thank you. He's always first here, my boy, the Boysies. See, he's fast on the keyboard. Thanks, man. You do great videos. We need to go viral, brother. See? Thanks for watching. Thanks for the community. Thanks for all the comments, guys. Thanks, Ernest. Yeah, really appreciate it. Sweet. That's all we got time for today. See you in the next video.